In an ever-evolving educational landscape, how can we make learning more accessible for students, give parents greater control over their child's education, and empower you to take charge right at your fingertips? This is the Indigo Education app, your all-in-one platform that helps you learn better and stay ahead.
That's all? But wait, can it
help me feel less overwhelmed before exams? For sure. With our resources bank, you can access exam-oriented notes, cheat sheets, and revision packages. Can it keep everything in place despite my busy school and CCA schedule? You bet. View administrative matters, book a replacement class or booster lesson, and access the latest resources uploaded, all in one tap. Can it remind me about important things like billing status and class attendance? Of course! View it on the go at your convenience. Can it keep me updated on the latest news, events, seminars, and workshops? Absolutely. So you never miss what matters to you most. That's not all. Track the number of friends you have recommended to Indigo and watch your infinite referral rewards grow. We heard you. That's why we built this app for you, our students and parents. If you require a new class time slot, leave a feedback through our survey form so we can better support your learning needs. Download the Indigo Education app now for a rewarding experience.